Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to request time off in QuickBooks Time. This feature allows you to formally submit vacation, sick days, or personal time directly through the platform, keeping everything organized and visible to your manager. First, you'll need to navigate to the QuickBooks Time web dashboard, open your browser, and log into your account to access the main dashboard where all your time tracking tools live. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Time Off. This section is specifically designed for managing all your time away from work, whether it's planned vacation or an unexpected sick day. It's your central hub for submitting and tracking time off requests. Next, click the Add Time Off button. A window will appear asking you to select the corresponding user. If you're requesting time off for yourself, simply choose your name from the list and click Continue. This step ensures the request is properly assigned to your account. Now you'll need to select the time off code from the drop-down menu. These codes might include options like vacation, sick leave, or personal time depending on how your company has set things up. Choosing the correct code helps your manager understand what type of leave you're requesting and ensures it's tracked properly in the system. After selecting the code, click the date field to choose when you want to take time off. A calendar will appear where you can pick the specific date. Once you've selected the date, enter the number of hours you want to request off that day in the hours field. This gives you flexibility to request a full day or just part of a day. If you need multiple days off, click Add Day to include additional dates in the same request. This saves time rather than submitting separate requests for each day. Simply repeat the process of selecting the date and entering hours for each additional day you need. You also have the option to add a note for your manager. This is useful for providing context about your request, especially if it's last minute or requires explanation. While it's optional, a brief note can help speed up the approval process. Finally, click Save to submit your time off request. Your manager will receive the request and can approve or deny it directly in QuickBooks Time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.